For everything that you will need to wrap a car. Firstly, going with what we will need are going to be magnets. Magnets are going to be your best friend. They're going to be holding the wrap, especially when you're cutting it. Going to need a couple magnets. Next is obviously going to be the main thing that you're going to need is a blade or a couple blades. Some knifeless tape is always good. Your best friend right here, a heat gun. You will need one of these. Okay, and then as far as for prepping and everything as that goes, you will need some clay bars to clean all the residue on the surface. Let's see. You need a couple spray bottles to fill it with soap. This is not mandatory. I'm pretty sure you guys might have these, but a sponge to basically wash the car first before you begin clay barring it. Measuring tape to measure out the vinyl wrap. Not necessary, but it does come in handy. It will be a glove to basically kind of wrap. And these are a couple things that are just, you will not need all of them, but you could use them. You will need this to cut your wrap, a couple squeegees. It does come with another glove, a couple magnets, your blade, and a couple of other items as well. Lastly, what you will need are microfiber towels. You want everything to be clean on this car before you wrap it. It's gonna be the main thing. So that's all. So with that, let's begin wrapping. Alrighty guys, so firstly what we're gonna be doing is using the clay bar. You're gonna use this with your bottled water and soap. And you're just gonna be basically going on the whole car, taking off all the residue. Right, after you've begun to clay bar everything, next thing you will need is some alcohol. After everything's clean, you're gonna wanna use this. This is the last step before you're laying up the wrap. So you wanna make sure everything is clean. Alcohol's the best way to do that. Alright guys, so like I said, these micro squeegees and this metal tool are perfect for this car. It helps you get in between this rubber, like that. And you can just get a cloth and just alcohol and clean everything in there, so that way when you're able to tuck in there. The one thing that sucks about these Infinities is these things are super tiny and they are kind of a bit hard to get in. But once you tuck them, it comes out perfect. So you just do that. Make sure you clean everything behind, clean everything in every crack. But yeah, that's what you guys want to do. Use these micro squeegees, put a cloth over them, and just basically alcohol clean everything. Now we are on the final step before wrapping, which will be taping up everything that's not going to be wrapped to make our jobs easier at tucking. We're running blue tape all around the car, all around this bumper. We're going to want to put blue tape in here too. As you guys can see, there's dust, and that will fuck up the wrap. That's the final step. Alright guys, time to finally start wrapping it. So the brand we are going to be using is Tinybot. They are a partial sponsor for this. They have a lot of crazy colors, guys. This is one of the colors I was just super excited to do. They would have a booklet like over 200 colors. And honestly, it was hard picking one, but this is the one I landed on. I did want to do another blue color, but I didn't want to repeat another blue because I just did one. So we are going with an emerald green. Alrighty guys, so this is the color. Let's shine some light on it. It's a metallic emerald green. It's like a bluish green, so I kind of went with a little bit blue, but it is more green. And this is the color that the hue's gonna be going. I'm super excited about this one, so let's get started. Alright guys, back at it. This is what I managed to get done last night. Everything's lining up nicely. Damn, this color is so shiny. It looks so good. Sunday, gonna try and finish the whole car today. Hopefully, that's the plan. So, gonna get right into it. Yet again, failed to meet the deadline, guys. But damn, looks so good. Unfortunately, it's gonna rain tomorrow, and I couldn't put the windows back in time because I still have so much still left to do. Managed to finish basically bumper, but I still have this whole side to do. Got that panel, door, rear quarter panel. This is just all condensation. Did the trunk. I already did inlays in the bumper, so I just need the bumper, just this, and the two side skirts, and it's all done. Wrap's not even done. Got all the parts in here. So if y'all see me out here in the freeway, mind your business. Alrighty, guys. The car's been completed for a couple days now. The only thing is, let's see, it's a little sneak peek right there. But as you guys know, well, you guys don't know, but I'm finishing up the last remaining pieces, which are the spoiler. This is the last piece. I'm just basically removing this old double-sided tape from the spoiler so we can throw this back on, and that's just gonna complete the entire look. If you guys ever need to remove like any kind of like 3M or double-sided tape like that, this thing works magic, guys. It's like a little eraser. This will take off everything. So after we do that, we're gonna throw the spoiler back on. Everything's gonna be done. I just finished cleaning the under tray right here because this whole thing was all busted up. So I had to cut literally everything. So I think I'm gonna do, purchase an aluminum like under tray. That way everything's kind of protected. You guys can see that's kind of like all flimsy. Especially look at all this. Look at how much damage. You can get to the wrap right there. All the damage from everything. From the lip. Damn, look at that, guys. If y'all know anybody that repairs carbon fiber, this can even be repairable, I have no idea. It's like an $800 lip, but definitely need this fixed because I'm not gonna buy another one. All right, guys, just gonna finish this real quick and then we're gonna throw it on. Everything's gonna be completed. All right, guys, so the car is fully completed. I'm gonna turn this around, the camera around, and then you guys will take your first, actually, but I guess the first full look at the car completed. I know I hinted at some things in the video, basically showing you guys the color, but yeah, guys, the car is fully done and I absolutely love it. I'm so happy with the result of this color. The color is by Tinybot. If I didn't mention earlier in the video, I think I did, but the color is called Emerald Green. I believe it's metallic emerald green. It's by Tinybot, and yeah, guys, I'll let the video do the rest of the talking, but I absolutely love this color. It basically, I love the blue as well. The maritime blue was super, I love that color, but I did want to do a metallic color this time around, and I think it brought out the curves of this car even better than just the regular gloss maritime blue did. So let me just turn the camera around and show you guys everything. guys. Like, look at these curves, guys. Like with the metallic,